All right, so I want to get a close up look at where we're at here. This is the third cycle of our 20 minute. You can see it's starting to get thicker, which I love. I'm going to change the view on here. Okay, so I can see, oops, that didn't work. Change the view, there we go. Okay, so look, this is great. We've got, and see how this one. So as we get further along, this is really going to start to get thicker and thicker and kind of push back on you. Okay, and it's really bubbly. So I'm going to get a view inside there. It's like lava in there. It's hot, yummy, delicious paste as we're getting in here. Yeah. Okay. We're stirring this. I'm going to bring this down a little closer. There we go. All right. Now you can see all this goodness, right? Ah, look at that thickness. Okay. So good. Okay. So we've done our 3 cycles of 20. Now we are on to our cycles of 15, and we just keep rocking the 15 until it's done. Until it's done. And that will just depend on your stove, okay? So we're gonna open this back up. I'm gonna bring this back into there. My mama's got, okay, this is going down now, and these are going up. Going up, going up. What's that? Oh, what's the guy I'm thinking of? Aerosmith. Going up, or is it going down? I think it's going down. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there we are. We set our timer. Make sure you don't change the time or the temperature. And we're going 15. Beautiful magic. Okay. I'm excited to take the next steps. We're going to go back into our documentary, and then we're going to get into some painting a little later. We're going to have lunch. All right. See you guys in a little jiffy. I'm going to go over here.